Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the free thank you card for the Sanrio Characters Rainbow Cottage in Heartopia. So right now, Heartopia has a new event again, the Sanrio, the collaborations event with Sanrio like this. I think it's so cute. And in here, you can get the cute furnitures at this banner at this Sanrio character Rainbow Cottage. This one, I think it's so cute. There are a blue one and then purple and pink furniture like this. And then to get this, you need to draw with the furniture fair food that you can get it by buying it with the hard diamonds. So you need to top up in this game. After that, after you get this fair food, you need to draw on here, and then after that you will get the thank you card that you can use it to redeem this cute furniture. So it's not free, and in here you need to pay it with money. And then, but don't worry, in here I will show you how to get the thank you card, the currency that you can use to redeem this furniture, but you can get it for free. First, you just need to go to the exchange store, this one. Just tap on this icon, this exchange store, and then just scroll down until you find this thank you card, menu, this one. And then in here, you can get one thank you card by paying it with 3 visiting star. So make sure you already enough the visiting star. And then just keep in mind that this exchange has a limit. So you can only exchange this visiting star with thank you card until 50 thank you card. So when you reach this limit, you won't be able to get any more. So make sure you just use it wisely. So next, just adjust the amount that you want to purchase on here, the amount of the thank you card. Like this, I will purchase it all like this, and then after that just simply type purchase like this. So in here you will get 50 thank you card for free, 100% free. And then next, you can use this 50 thank you card to redeem or to buy this cute furniture on here. Make sure you use it wisely. Just use it to redeem your favorite furniture. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.